Greetings and welcome to this Ford Ranger. Misfire codes P0306, 304, and 305, which all those would be on the driver's side of the motor. I've had this problem with misfired spark plugs for a long time now, ever since I changed the original spark plugs out of this years ago. What I didn't know is that they actually call for two different types of plugs from the passenger side to the driver's side. And the reason they do that is because on these single coils, one side of that coil fires with a negative charge and the other one fires with a positive charge. So all the ones on the passenger side fire normal. So the positive charge goes from the center pin of the spark plug and jumps to the ground. On the driver's side of the motor, it works the opposite. It jumps from the ground to the center pin, and that wears out the ground side of that plug. I don't know if you can see that in there now, but it wears like a little moon shape, little half. You can't really see it on there, but it causes the gap change, which then causes the misfire. So what I did is I actually looked up to see what the original spark plug was for this truck. So I'm putting the original motorcraft plugs back in it. However, they don't make the one with the suffix PP. If you can read there, it tells you that on the driver's side you could have a PG suffix, and on the passenger side you have a PG suffix, and on the driver's side you got to have a double P, which is, I believe, is double platinum, which I believe I've tried those too with different name brands, and they don't work any better. It only lasts, that spark plugs last for 200 miles on this thing. And what makes the situation worse is this is also what's known as a wasted spark system. That means the spark plug fires twice for every revolution. So basically it fires normal at top dead center, and then it fires again on the exhaust to get rid of any excess fuel that hasn't been burned off. So it just double wears out your spark plugs. So what I'm trying now is I got the next best one that says it fits, which is the SP500. Now I don't know if that's gonna work because it's not double P. It's platinum on the center pin and nickel on the ground. So I don't know how good nickel really is, but I'm willing to try anything at this point, because the last ones I put in here were the Autolite iridium spark plugs. I almost got 2 years out of it, and about 18,000 miles or thereabouts, 15, 18, somewhere in there. So at least that worked for a little while. And when you're changing your spark plugs, take out your dipstick. Look what I did. I broke that joker right off. That thing broke right off. Fortunately, I can get that off, and I can go to the junkyard and get another one, but that really sucked. Anyways, hope this solves some of your questions about misfiring, especially with the spark plugs going bad on the driver's side. And this is a 99 Ford Ranger. This is a 4.0 V6. So hopefully that helps anybody out there. See y'all.